Hello, fellow acupuncturists. Thank you for choosing the multi-purpose health device, more commonly called an acupuncture stimulator. In this video, we will show you the main characteristics of the device as well as how to use it. First of all, let's take a look at what's inside the box. You will find the main device, an instruction manual in bilingual English and Chinese, a 120 volt AC adapter, 6 wires with alligator clips, 2 wires with button clips, 4 self-adhesive patches, and the AcuPoint detecting pen. To get started, you will need to connect your device by plugging the AC power adapter to a power outlet and to the back of your device. Or you can also use 6 Type-C batteries to power it on. Once your device is connected, and before turning it on, you need to make sure all the knobs on the device are turned off completely. If it's not the case, a sound will play upon startup to remind you to set all buttons back to 0. This is a safety feature, don't be alarmed. Let me show you how to use the main functions of the acupuncture stimulator. Now we can turn on the device and set the timer. So you see the device is on, the power lamp is green, and we can set the timer, for example, to 10 minutes for a 10-minute treatment. You can choose between 10 minutes and 1 hour, or just leave the timer on so that you can choose whenever you stop the treatment. There are 5 waves you can choose from. Each wave will be displayed on its window when activated. You have the continuous wave, the dense disperse wave, the intermittent wave, the ripple wave, and the respiration wave. The 2 most popular frequency waves are the continuous wave and the dense disperse wave. So let's put it on the first one, the continuous wave. You have 2 frequency adjusters for regulating the speed of the waves. So this frequency adjuster and this one. You can set the frequency from 0 all the way to 10, but generally speaking, a practitioner will set it in the middle, somewhere in between 5 and 6. So that's what we're about to do. You will see that the frequency lamp will run a little bit faster, you see? That's all the way to 10, but let's put it at 5. And then you have the 6 outputs where you connect the wires to. Each wire connects to a different output. You can connect those wires either to the self-adhesive patches or directly to the acupuncture needle. Make sure to always connect both ends of each wire to different patches or acupuncture needles. Each output has its own intensity regulator. Make sure those are the ones, the intensity regulators. Make sure they are turned off before starting up the machine, and always increase those gradually and in line with your patient needs. Otherwise, you might give them an electric shock. So this is turned off, and you'll hear a click when you turn it on. Turn off, turn on. And this is just like the electrical impulse intensity. So if you put it all the way to 10, it will give a pretty strong intensity. Note that this frequency adjuster on the left controls output number 1. And the frequency adjuster on the right controls output 2 to 5. So if you want to use frequency 2 to 5, then you must first turn off the frequency adjuster on the left and then turn on the frequency adjuster on the right. The machine also features a little extra, which is the meridian detector with the probe that you connect to it. Its purpose is to find precisely where the meridians are located on your body. Only the probe needs to be connected to the device, so remove all the cables before using that one. You plug the detection pen here on the top left. The adjuster on the top left is to regulate the sensibility of the detector. As some skins may be drier or wetter, thicker or thinner than others, this regulator helps you to be as precise as possible. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call at 626-285-1600. Or you can also visit our website to check out our other products and shop online. goacupuncture.com. Bye.